Hello everyone, this video is on Mercury Rahu conjunction. In this video, I will tell what is the energy of this conjunction and how this energy will behave differently in different signs and houses. Before starting this video, if you are new to my channel, then do subscribe my channel so that you will get latest notification regarding my video uploads. Mercury Rahu conjunction. What is Mercury? Mercury is all about our communication capabilities. Mercury rules the third and sixth house of natural zodiac, which is all about your communication. Mercury loves or likes to deal with information. If you want to deal with so much information, hire a person with strong Mercury. He will do the job for you. Our rishis told that Mercury behave like a Krura planet when it is sitting with the Krura planet like Saturn, Mars and Rahu. Mercury behave like a Sumya planet when it is sitting with the Sumya planet like Jupiter, Venus, Moon. So one thing we can say that Mercury will behave like the planet with which he is sitting. That's why we can say that Mercury can mimic anything. Mercury is the young prince. Mercury like to play a lot. These all are the things related to Mercury. Let's see what is Rahu. Rahu always creates confusion. Rahu, the place in which he is sitting, he always try to create certain confusion related to that house significance. Rahu energy is a explosive kind of energy. It will explode the planet with which he is sitting. Rahu is a magic master. Rahu tries to take advantage of this situation. So when these two planets combine with each other, they will try to help each other. This, when a person with Mercury Rahu conjunction is a very good communicator, is a very good, what we can say, is a very good speaker. They know bit by bit regarding the communication techniques. They can able to buy someone with their communication skill. If you want to market yourself or for your marketing purpose, then do hire a person with Mercury and Rahu conjunction. They will do the job for you. When it comes to dealing with information, these are the best guy to deal a lot of information. When it comes to the communication or communicating with the foreign agencies, foreign peoples, do hire a person with Mercury Rahu conjunction, because Rahu is the foreign element and Mercury tries to and likes to do the communication with the foreign elements. So if you hire a person with Mercury Rahu conjunction, they will do the job for you, to communicate or to market you for in foreign places also. But in certain house they create confusion, because Rahu try to create confusion, but the presence of Mercury will try to control the Rahu. Like in 7th house, Rahu will create regarding confusion or chakos regarding your relationship and spouse. But the presence of Mercury will not allow Rahu to do that. Mercury Rahu conjunction. This energy will behave different in different signs. When it is the sign of Mercury like Gemini and Virgo, this conjunction will what we can say give good results. They will be like a great speaker or able to deal with so many information. They will help you fight the court cases and won the court cases for you. But when it is in the sign of Libra, where Rahu will create chakos in relationship, but the presence of Mercury in that place will help you to get out of those situations. When it is happening in the 10th house, this person can able to what we can say, choose a profession where their communication skills can be used. So friends, this is the way how Mercury and Rahu conjunction work and behave. Do use this in around 10 to 15 charts, then you can able to know the energy of Mercury and Rahu conjunction, where you see the sign placement and house placement. Both of these will what we can say have a major say. This is all about Mercury and Rahu conjunction. Hope you like this video. Do like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.